A trip to the doctor. Listen to the story and answer the questions. See the description box below for answers to the questions. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a young boy named Timmy. Timmy was a cheerful and active boy who loved playing soccer with his friends. One sunny day, however, Timmy started feeling a bit under the weather. His mom, noticing his pale face and runny nose, decided it was time to take him to the doctor. Timmy was a bit nervous as he had never been to the doctor before, but his mom assured him that the doctor would help him feel better. They walked to the local clinic, and upon entering, Timmy was greeted by a friendly nurse at the reception. "Hello there, Timmy. What brings you to the doctor today?" the nurse asked with a warm smile. Timmy's mom explained that he wasn't feeling well and they had come for a checkup. The nurse checked them in and directed them to the waiting area. Timmy's eyes widened as he saw colorful children's books and toys to play with. It made waiting much more enjoyable. Soon, the nurse called Timmy's name and they followed her to the examination room. Dr. Thompson, a kind and gentle doctor, welcomed Timmy and his mom. "Hello, Timmy. I hear you're not feeling your best today. Let's see if we can figure out what's going on," Dr. Thompson said, trying to make Timmy feel comfortable. Timmy explained his symptoms, and Dr. Thompson listened carefully. He then checked Timmy's temperature, listened to his heart, and looked into his ears and throat. "It seems like you have a little cold, Timmy. Don't worry, we'll help you feel better soon. I'll prescribe some medicine, and you'll be back to playing soccer with your friends in no time," Dr. Thompson reassured him. Timmy felt relieved knowing that the doctor was there to help. Dr. Thompson gave Timmy's mom instructions on how to give him the medicine and shared some tips for a speedy recovery. As they left the clinic, Timmy's mom praised him for being brave during the visit. Timmy smiled, knowing that visiting the doctor wasn't as scary as he thought. With a bag of medicine in hand, they headed home, looking forward to Timmy's quick recovery. And so, with the care of his mom and the help of Dr. Thompson, Timmy rested, took his medicine, and soon enough, he was back on the soccer field, kicking the ball with his friends and enjoying the sunny days once again. Listening comprehension questions. Question 1. Why did Timmy go to the doctor? A. He wanted to play with toys. B. He felt unwell. C. He needed a checkup. Question 2. What did Timmy's mom do when he wasn't feeling well? A. She took him to the park. B. She called his friends. C. She took him to the doctor. Question 3. Who greeted Timmy and his mom at the clinic? A. Dr. Thompson. B. The receptionist. C. Timmy's teacher. Question 4. What did Timmy find in the waiting area of the clinic? A. Soccer balls. B. Colorful books and toys. C. Computer games. Question 5. What did Dr. Thompson tell Timmy's mom about his condition? A. He needs surgery. B. He has a cold. C. He should stop playing soccer. Question 6. How did Timmy feel after visiting the doctor? A. Scared. B. Relieved. C. Angry. Did you enjoy the story? Were there any words or phrases that you didn't understand? Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.